Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete inventory adjustment in QuickBooks Desktop. This is particularly useful when you need to remove incorrect adjustments or fix inventory discrepancies that were logged by mistake. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account where your inventory adjustments are stored. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the search text box. Click on it to activate the search function. This search feature is your gateway to quickly locating specific transactions without having to navigate through multiple menus. After clicking the search box, you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. From this menu, select Advanced Transactions Search. This tool gives you more refined control over what you're looking for, allowing you to filter through your transactions with precision. It's especially helpful when dealing with specific transaction types like inventory adjustments. Next, you'll need to specify what type of transaction you're searching for. Look for the Transactions Type drop-down menu and choose Inventory Quantity Adjustment from the list. This narrows down your search results to only show inventory adjustments, making it much easier to find the exact entry you need to delete. If you have a specific time frame in mind, enter the date range or other criteria that will help pinpoint the adjustment. This step is optional but highly recommended if you're dealing with a large volume of transactions. Once you've applied your filters, QuickBooks will display the search results matching your criteria. Browse through the list and select the inventory adjustment transaction you want to delete. Click on it to open the transaction details. This ensures you're working with the correct entry before making any changes. Now at the bottom of the page, you'll see the Delete button. Click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this transaction. Select Yes to confirm the deletion. This removes the inventory adjustment from your records entirely. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.